Hello, in this video I will show you how to withdraw from Bybit to Binance. Now it's an extremely easy process. So what you would do is open your browser, then firstly open your Binance account. After that, just simply go to the section of deposit right over here. Then click on deposit crypto. Now right over here, whatever coin that you are going to deposit, choose it right over here. So let's say for example in Bybit you are going to withdraw USDT. So you choose USDT over here. Then choose the proper network right over here as well. So in my case, it's going to be TRC20. Now you will be given an address. Copy this address. Now open Bybit. So just simply go to that location and log in with your Bybit account. So it might take a few seconds, so wait for it. Now, once your Bybit account is logged in, all you have to do is just simply go to the asset section, click on your crypto, which will be available right over here. And then what you have to do is just choose withdraw. Then just choose the coin, which in this case is going to be USDT because I've already chosen it right over here. Now the address, just simply paste the address that you just copied right over here. Now the chain type, choose the proper chain type, which is going to be TRC20, which again I chose right over here as you can see. Now make sure to choose the proper chain type because if you choose the wrong network or a chain type, you will lose your crypto forever. Now enter the amount that you would like to transfer or withdraw. Then all you have to do is just simply click on confirm, and then within a designated time that is allotted right over here, your crypto will be withdrawn from Bybit to Binance. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.